Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, find recorder and click on it. Then you need to click agree and tap allow. Now you can tap on this red button to start your recording. If you want to pause it, click at the same button. If you want to unpause it, click on the red button again. If you want to save your recording and end it, tap on the square button over here. And as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, choose delete at the bottom right corner and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!